For this installation, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a voltmeter, and wire strippers. Turn the power off from the circuit breaker for the switches to be replaced. Unscrew the existing light switches at both switch locations. Carefully pull the switches out of the wall as the contacts may still be live. Double check if the power is off with a non-contact voltage tester at both locations. You should see in the switch boxes that there are two sets of wires that enter the back of the box. One set should have a black, white, and ground wire. The second set should have red, black, white, and ground wires. The set of wires that does not have the red wire will either have the hot or load wire. We will determine this in the next steps. With both the old switches still connected, turn on the circuit breaker. Be very careful not to touch the wires or terminals as you will be working with live wires. Carefully turn the light off from either wall switch. Use the voltmeter at both locations to check the black terminal. When the meter lights up, that is your hot wire. We will call this location number 2 for our reference. The same black terminal at the second location will have the load wire. Test this terminal to confirm that it is not hot. This will be location number 1. Turn the power off from the electrical panel. The white wires are your neutral wires. The red wire will be your traveler wire. The black wire coming from the same set of wires with the red wire will be used as the jumper to relocate the hot input to the other switch location. Connect the red wire to the other terminal on the 91150 switch. Insert the neutral wire into the neutral terminal. This is where you're going to relocate the hot input. Twist the two black wires together and cap it off with a wire cap. Connect the ground wire to the ground terminal screw. Adjust the wires and place the 91150 switch into the wall. Screw on the wall plate. The white wires are your neutral wires. The red wire will be the traveler wire. The black wire from the set with the red wire is the hot wire. The black wire from the set without the red wire is the load wire. Insert the black wire from the set without the red wire into the load terminal. Insert the black wire from the set with the red wire into the hot terminal. Insert the red wire into the traveler terminal. Insert the neutral wire into the neutral terminal. Now insert the ground wire into the ground terminal. Make sure all the terminal screws are tightened. Adjust the wires and place the TGWF15S switch into the wall. Screw on the wall plate. Finally, turn on the circuit breaker. You can now control your lights from multiple locations.